make cinnamon buns. Are you ready? Let's get baking! For the dough, we will need 2.5 cups of plain flour, 1 cup of warm fresh milk, 1/4 cup of white sugar, 1/4 cup of unsalted butter at room temperature, 1 medium egg, 2 teaspoons of instant yeast, and half teaspoon of salt. For the filling, we will need 1/4 cup of unsalted butter at room temperature, half cup of brown sugar, and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. You can also check the full list of ingredients in the description below. In a bowl, combine the flour, sugar, and salt. In a bowl of stand mixer, add the milk, egg, instant yeast, and the dry ingredients. And knead this for about 8 to 10 minutes. While kneading, gradually add the unsalted butter. If the dough is too sticky, add a bit of flour, about a tablespoon at a time. After kneading, transfer it into a greased bowl. And cover it and let it rise for about 1 hour or until it has doubled in size. In another bowl, add the butter, and using a hand mixer, cream it until it's light and fluffy. Scrape the sides of the bowl. Add the brown sugar and cinnamon and cream them together until well combined. Then, set this aside. Grease the cupcake tray with butter, or you can also use oil spray. Once the dough has doubled in size, transfer it into the work surface, punch it to release some air bubbles, and roll it into a rectangular shape. Trim the edges. Then, spread evenly the cinnamon filling. Then, fold it halfway through, and then the other side as well. And roll it. Cut the edges and divide it into 12 portions. Now, make 2 cuts. Then, braid the strips together. Pinch the edge and roll it. And transfer it into the cupcake tray. Cover it with tea towel and let it rest for about 1 hour or until it has doubled in size. After 1 hour, brush the top with egg wash. Then bake this in a preheated oven of 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the top is golden brown. And here's our finished product! Smells so nice! These buns are so delicious, soft, and filled with sweet cinnamon filling. They are perfect on their own, or they can also be served with powdered sugar on top or creamy cream cheese frosting. And this is what it looks like inside. Please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and hit the bell to get notified for the next delicious recipes. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!